The business is successful because I was always interested in meeting the needs of the customer.
For over 50 years, we have been making industrial fabric welders that make a difference. A difference for our shared environment. And shelters for those who need the most. Buildings and barns on land or in the sea to raise and grow our food. Covers and tarps to support our food supplies all over the world. Protection products that provide safety on our highways and on our buildings. Safe solutions for food, for feeding our new best friends. Protection from the sun on a sunny day and warmth from the elements on a cold day. Our welders make a difference with the products that make life's most important moments just the way you hope they would be. Special moments with family and friends when celebrating and exploring adventures of every kind. And at your home. We are there when it matters most. With the family and friends who mean the most. Making a difference every day with a dedicated family of employees who care, so you can make a difference for your customers every day. Miller Weldmaster.